Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and navigating to Touch ID and Passcode, or Face ID and Passcode on newer devices. Enter your device passcode so the system unlocks the security controls. Once done, scroll to the section that lists apps allowed to use Touch ID. This shows which apps currently rely on fingerprint authentication. This immediate access avoids extra steps inside each app, and it prepares you to revoke permissions quickly. Make sure your device is unlocked and on a stable battery level. You now revoke permissions by toggling off Touch ID for each app shown in Settings. When a confirmation appears, accept it to apply the change. This prevents the app from using biometric authentication moving forward. After turning off permissions, open each affected app so you can set up an alternative sign-in method, such as a passcode, password, or account PIN. Doing this ensures you don't get locked out, and that authentication flows continue smoothly without biometrics. You finish by testing each app's sign-in to confirm Touch ID is disabled. Attempt a login and choose the passcode or password option. If some apps still prompt for Touch ID, restart your device to force the settings to refresh. If problems persist, reset biometric data entirely. Delete and re-add fingerprints in Settings, which clears potential sensor configuration issues. As a troubleshooting tip, make sure the app is updated and that the device OS is current before resetting biometrics to avoid unnecessary work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.